Now we're going to make this elegant, beautiful, but simple pew bow. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it down into my Bowdabra. And this is just so simple. And I have this beautiful glittery ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it and scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. Now I'm going to fold it back, twist, and scrunch, and actually make that a little bit bigger. And all I'm going to do is again fold, twist, and scrunch. And the reason I need to twist it is so that the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So we're just going to continue here, and we're going to fold it, twist it, and scrunch. And I'm going to, again, one more time here, fold, twist, and scrunch. And I'm just going to continue. Now I'm going to take my beautiful pearl-edged wired ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it, push it down in, and I'm going to make these loops a little bit smaller. Twist, and I'm going to do one more here, and I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to take this and put it aside, and I'm going to take my pre-cut and dovetailed, fold them in the middle, and just put that in here. Then I'm going to take this bow here and just bring it back, twist it, and bring it back, and twist it, put it into my Bowdabra. Now I'm going to take my next piece, and I'm going to put these tails so they go upwards. And I'm going to fold this one more time and bring it back, bring it back over. Then I'm going to take this tail, and I'm just going to kind of push this going downwards. So then I have this beautiful piece of lace. I'm just going to scrunch this all down into my Bowdabra, and in about a second, I'm going to take my wand and I'm going to give everything a really good scrunch. So now I'm going to take my beautiful little rose, and I've already just folded them so the stems stay out of the way. I'm going to put this one going that way. Those are 2 full bunches. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand again and scrunch everything down. You can see how elegant a pew bow this is going to be. Now I'm going to pull my Bowdabra bow wire through my slip knot. I'm going to hold the bow really tight. Make sure I don't go around my thing. Pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out. Separate the ends. Bring it around to the back. I'm going to tie it, and then I'm just going to kind of shape it a little bit. And I'm going to tie it one more time and knot it. And then I'm going to just shape out my bow and shape my roses and pull my tails the direction that I want them, and take my beaded just so everything is seen in the whole mix of the pew bow. And this is all the fluffing. And then what I would do is tie it onto a pew bow holder that you can buy pretty much at any craft store. And you have this absolutely simple but gorgeous pew bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.